A U.S. couple was hospitalized after taking a teaspoon each of a fish tank cleaner. It contained a form of chloroquine, which the couple heard the U.S. president praising as a potential treatment for COVID-19.
A drug called chloroquine. It is known as a malaria drug, and it's been around for a long time, and it's very powerful. But the nice part is it's been around for a long time. So we know that if things don't go as planned, it's not going to kill anybody.
The woman, who doesn't want to be named, became seriously ill after taking chloroquine phosphate. Her husband died.
Yeah, within 20 minutes, dizzy, hot. I started vomiting. My husband started developing respiratory problems and wanted to hold my hand.
In Nigeria, 3 people overdosed on chloroquine, and officials issued a warning to stop using it as a COVID-19 treatment. Chloroquine was used for treating malaria in World War II. Hydroxychloroquine is a less toxic derivative that is usually prescribed for rheumatoid arthritis and lupus. It's now undergoing clinical trials to determine whether it's an effective treatment for the new coronavirus.
Chinese scientists did a study in the lab, an in vitro study, showing that the drug actually works for killing the virus in the lab, but such studies have turned out disappointingly in many trials in the past. So it doesn't actually say much for us that the drug is working in the lab. We always have to get some proofs that the drug is actually working in the patients.
A clinical trial in France was promising, but it involved only 20 patients. Dr. Messoud Yilmaz says a study of at least 500 to 1,000 people is needed to determine whether a drug is effective. He also warns self-medicating can be dangerous.
I would never recommend for any type of drug, unless it's just simple fever and you would like to self-medicate yourself with paracetamol, then I'd say, okay, that's a fairly safe drug. For any other drug, I would definitely advise against it.
Dozens of other drug treatments are also being tested, but so far, none of them has been approved. And it might take months to figure out what really works. Aksel Zaimovic, TRT World.